So we launched this initiative in August at the beginning of the school year, and we challenged our students to read for 1 million minutes throughout this school year. And our students far exceeded that mark.
They started doing a log, and we had to get 100 minutes each week. With total out of the whole school, I got 25,738 minutes.
22,740.
We've had a week-long celebration. On Wednesday, we had our culminating celebration, and so we had a surprise visitor. Nash from the Predators joined us. We had games that students and teachers could participate in that involved books. There were relay races where we were balancing books on our head. There were book stacking contests, and then students answered some trivia questions all about books. So we had a great school-wide celebration as we reached this big milestone.
Probably the most favorited celebrations were the dance party and where Nash got to pie people.
Reading, I just feel like a lot of reading inspires me and it just fills up that empty time. And some books are like really exciting and I just like reading.
We're really excited about continuing this into the future, seeing what milestone we can hit next, whether that's 2 million or 5 million or 10 million minutes for a student who's here from kindergarten through 5th grade, and the sky's definitely the limit. So this really set the bar high, and we can't wait to brainstorm some new and creative and exciting ways to celebrate readers in the future.